全球知名混油器与切削业的权威领导者，都四川与美科 MCM 植物性切削业。
Hello, 大家好. We are Dosatron, a French manufacturer and inventor of the water power proportional dosing pump. So I would like to introduce you my colleague Fabrice, who is our technical expert for industrial application of our product. So Fabrice, please introduce the working principle of our product.
Hello, I'm Fabrice, working at Dosatron since now 7 years. I can explain you how work the Dosatron. It's very simple. We need pressure and water flow to activate the piston. For this pump between 10 and 3000 liters per hour. We need a pressure between 5 and 6 bar. And if you stay in this range, you activate the piston. And the piston is linked to a suction to suck the oil, to mix the oil with the water, and then at the outlet of the pump you have the oil and the water mixed at the right percentage you have before adjusted here. The pump using for the soluble oil is the D3 EL10%, working from 1 to 10% and 10 liters per hour to 3000 per hour. Maintenance is very simple, easy, and the pump is given for 5 million liters of water. Thank you.
So if you are interested into this high precision dosing solution with high precision lubricant, please contact our partner for the Taiwan market, MCM.
选择美科，成就美克 Your success, we make it happen.
I make the impossible possible. MCM Super.